Dear viewers, I am bringing to your kind attention on the education series, which covers the basic principles of the economics. I am going to cover some more new subjects in coming days. Economics, as such, is the social science, study of scarcity and choice. It provides the framework for understanding production, distribution, and consumption of goods and services. It applies to both businesses, individuals, societies, and governments. This PPT gives small examples which can give the basic understanding of the economics. Economics, it is in the day to day life. Economics is the study of people, how they make the choices with limited resources to fill their unlimited wants. Example of pizza and burger. You have $10 with you. Pizza costs $8 and burger costs $6. It illustrates the scarcity of money and concept of opportunity. What to buy? If you buy a pizza, you will be left with $2. If you buy a burger, you will be left with $4. So the choice you make is the basic idea of economics. It applies to the different levels. There are two branches of the economics, which is micro and macroeconomics. Micro, which focuses on the individual decisions, such as how much you have, how much you are going to spend. I can give a good example like a matchbox. If you have a matchbox, one single stick is a micro, and the box containing about 66 is the macro. Macro majorly applies to the nations, organizations, and the businesses where a group of people are involved. In the micro, it will be pinpoint, focused approach. Evolution of economics and thought. It was a classical, then it became neoclassical and Keynesian, and finally the modern. In economic theory, trade-offs and opportunity costs, it is like sacrificing one to get the other due to limited resources. Similarly, marginal thinking is concept of making decisions by comparing the additional benefits or choices we are going to get. Incentives are a tool to as a salary, as a bonus, and also additional benefits to the customer. Country's economic runs on the manufacturing of goods and services based on the inflation rate and also the trade-off between the inflation and unemployment. Economic trends are rapid growth of digital currencies, sustainable economic practices, AI integration, and online commercial platforms. Two topics which are to be considered are sustainable economics and integration of economics in the AI. Sustainable economics as a vital role, usage of the green energy, reduction on fossil fuel, and investing on the research to save the mother earth. Avoid the repeatability and integrate the AI in the manufacturing operations to reduce the cost and give the benefit to the consumer. Behavioral economics is one of the important aspects and key subject in the economics. One which defines the rational purchase, another defines the purchase with emotions. The best example is children or kids in the bakery shop. Inflation is one of the key economic indicator which defines the status of the economy, unemployment rate, purchase power of the people, and parity between the haves and have-nots. Higher the unemployment is considered to be unhealthy, which impacts the spending of the people. Less than 5% is good and greater than 10% is a crisis in the economy. Lower inflation indicates weak demand. Higher inflation indicates rising prices, diminishing purchasing power. 2 to 3% is considered healthy and greater than 5% is problematic. We are all global citizens. The impact of the global changes are affecting our day-to-day life. The crude oil prices, coffee prices, and also due to AI, the reduction in the jobs and changes in the shopping habits due to the availability of the money. Economics explores how individuals make choices considering limited resources to satisfy unlimited wants and shaping their consumption patterns, influencing overall economy. The future of economy is cryptocurrency, gig economy, climate change, space economics, and digital transformation. From this PPT, the key takeaways are: economics is about making choices and trade offs daily, and the principles with informed decisions, trends, engagement, and impact. It gives an overall picture. In detail, you can study the books which are mentioned in the end of this PPT. The detailed books are given here. I hope you have liked this video. Please share, comment, and review. Suggest for improvement. Thank you, and thank you for watching.